सक्सेस होम ट्यूटर एक भरोसेमंद गारंटीड होम ट्यूशन है और ये होम ट्यूशन के अलावा ऑनलाइन टीचिंग का भी एक प्लेटफॉर्म तैयार कर चुकी है। तो ऑनलाइन ट्यूशन और स्टूडेंट्स के लिए एक होम ट्यूटरिंग ये जो सारे फैक्टर्स है इसमें अवेलेबल है। तो इस सक्सेस होम ट्यूटर को आप ज्वाइन करें और अपना जो फ्यूचर है वो ब्राइट करें। तो इसी तरह हम इस सक्सेस एजुटेक और होम ट्यूटर इनको अपनाए, यही विनती आप सबके लिए।
Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Success EduTech. Today we are watching some quiz which connected with 4th class students. All squares are rectangles, true or false? It's true. This question answer is true. Next question. All rectangles are squares, true or false? Its question is false. Very good questions for students. Next question. How do you write 0.07 as a fraction? This question answer is 7/100. We will write. Okay. Next question. We will see. If 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds, 2 minutes is equal to 120 seconds, 3 minutes is equal to 180 seconds, then how many minutes is 3 hours 40 minutes? Very simple answer, simple question, and we will watch this question answer. 220 minutes. Next question. 2012 is a leap year. True or false? This question answer is true. What is the name of triangle with only two sides equal? Isosceles triangle. This question answer is. Next question. What is the sum of the angles in a triangle? 180 degrees. This question answer. Next question. Find the missing number in this sequence. 1997, 1999, 2011, 2017, and 2027. This question answer is 2003. Next question. There are 9 bananas and 8 apples in a basket. You took 4 bananas and 1 apple from it. Now how many are you left with? 5. Correct answer is 5. Next question. There are 4 more roosters than ducks on a farm. The total number of legs of the roosters and ducks is equal to 45. How many roosters and ducks are there? This question answer is 10 roosters and 6 ducks. So today we have watched some GK quiz and their answers in this video. So I am completing my short lecturing here. So you like this video, and I am giving I am completing my lecture. Namaskar.